Look at the view. Wait for the car. Ah, bro, this place feels unreal. Bro wants to try something. We need to have some speed. This road leads to backrooms. G4 is so small. Police! Hello, police. Houses, man. What the? Okay, I wanna stop here at the intersection because I'm just so annoyed about the sounds. Come on, put the green light on. Goddamn patches, bro. Goddamn road patches. Oh, and of course we get another red. Why not, bro? Why not? Look, a bike lane. Of course you go on the bike lane. Of course. Poor you, go on the bike lane. My nose is so goddamn bad. Goddamn big festival. I don't know what is that, and I don't care, but yeah, big festival. Right there. There are two big uphills. Entering Florești, you see? We are now in Florești. He asked me if there are a lot of hills that the road goes on, but bro doesn't know what I'm planning. Now, look at the view. How the G4 is supporting the weights. Is he going to make it? Look at the road. Wait for the car. Look how beautiful is this. So beautiful.
Saddle scars and open skies. That's the life I've always known. Past the fence line where the wild wind sighs. Freedom I can call my own. No four walls to hold me in. No paved road to tie me down. Just the endless stretch of prairie. Far from any dusty town.
God damn, bro, how are you overtaking? What the fuck, bro? What the fuck? God damn overtake, man. Ah, I was looking in the back and almost went into the brushes, into the bush. What the fuck? We are stopping here. God damn. Yeah, bro, welcome to Romania. Whenever there is a beautiful thing, people need to ruin it with trash. A lot of trash. So I don't really know where we are going, but yeah. It's beautiful outside, man. And we need to enjoy that. This is the road.
What the fuck?
Yeah. Let's go, we arrived. So now we gotta go on the big road for like 2 meters. Because, yeah, man, life is not that easy. Go! I don't really know where we are, but okay, bro. Okay, bro. So, bro, this place feels unreal. This doesn't look like Romania. Bro, this is not Romania. Let's park the scooters here. You see? Special Popeyes electric scooter parking. Bro, this place feels so goddamn unreal. Bro, this place is not real. Look at the scooter. Wait, because I want to do something. So this is a really big garden place. So you know why they built this? Because when the other part of the highway is gonna end construction, there is gonna be a lot of traffic around this part. I want to do a TikTok from here. Poppy deal. Bro, why can't I see my order? No, thank you. Go to pay. Cash. Your order is being processed. Order 30. Bro got the biggest cheesy dip on earth. Look at the potato. Ice cream. Good? So, bro's talking about discipline. Look at his towels just on the. look at the receipt.
It's a crime scene.
Yeah, and look at mine. Also, I'm gonna donate this to the dog that is gonna chase after us.
I'm impressed. I did not think it was gonna turn out this way.
Yeah, me neither. Damn, it's so beautiful.
We don't have a needle.
It's still under construction. Okay, guys, so we are back on the. Bro, do you remember I drank too much Sprite? The old days. E foarte. Yeah, I admit at this move, bro was smarter. God damn, I almost fell into the river. The bumps! Bro, the grass is so goddamn smooth. Oh my god! I almost went forward. I think I also have. Yeah, and my phone just. Bro's just going. Bro did not saw that my phone just kaputted itself. Nah, bro, it's okay. I need to tighten this harder. Do you think that this lake has fish? Bro's not listening. Ah, of course, bro's overtaking me on dual. Police! Hello, police. Bro, they did not even flinch at us. Like they did not even look at us. Like they were some kids having fun and also being responsible for their lives and the other participants at traffic lives. They were like, okay, bro, as long as you're safe and you respect the law, we are not gonna bother you.
The next day.
Goddamn, boy, so it's another beautiful day. It's actually a school day, so tomorrow we'll have school, but tomorrow is Friday. I forgot the name of this particular day, but you know what I'm talking about. So yeah. Do you know about the new regulation for bolt scooters? Like, you know that they want to limit them. Like, there are a lot of new rules that they want to implement. Like, one of them is before you take a ride with the scooter, you need to make a puzzle or something to prove that you're not drunk. So that's gonna be something. And also, when you are in a pedestrian area or a no cars area, you know what I'm talking about, the scooter will automatically shut off. So the maximum speed with the motor will be 0 kilometers per hour, and in a school zone it will be 10 maximum. So yeah, it's kind of good. It's kind of a good thing, you know. It's a good thing, but it will push more people to buy their own e-scooters that will go, like, they will have too much power for them to handle, and there are gonna appear again a lot of crashes. Then they are gonna ban the scooters, so we are gonna take the e-bikes and all of that until everything is banned, and we need to take the freaking aeroplane from the city center to the mall. Very good theory. Let's see the trolley bus switch. up in front, let's see. Slow. Yeah, man, he passed again. Come on. We are not entering, all forwards after me. So now I am the lead. And you know, look at the street in front of us. Look at the beautiful houses, man, around here. So is bro leashed or unleashed? What's your plan?
Go after me.
Oh, bro wants to try something. We need to have some speed. God damn! That freaking dog! Nah, bro, we are safe.
The good part is that they
Well, I think we are at Chernobyl. This road leads to backrooms or Chernobyl.
may be right.
I don't know, going into the unknown. Okay, bro. Man, this bike path is so cool. This is a bike path.
Yeah, maybe it was.
Okay, that's a good sign if we see civilization. Forward. Goddamn. Radioactive bridge. Like this is a wooden bridge. God damn. Look, Selgros. We arrived. The concrete road quality is so goddamn bad. Oh goddamn. Look at his front suspension. Ah. And again, what it's saying here, with the exception of bikes. And look, where is this road going? I'm done with the off-road for today.
Yeah. And my back tire is done also.
Yeah. So that's the main road. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Chupapi muñeño. This is a road made of concrete slabs, you know. Oh, and
Exceptional, the best quality.
yeah. Did you saw them?
No.
Yeah, very good. What is bro doing? Bro's unsure about the directions.
NPCs are getting crazy now.
Yeah. NPC's got an upgrade. Man, look at the scooters.
Bro, I had a crazy idea.
Ah.
What if the driver was hungry and decided to derail the train to go?
Sorry, like melody. Goddamn. I need to stop about the shoddy melody. How is bro freaking going? Bro needs to learn how to properly overtake. I did something. I don't know what was that, bro. Don't test me. Let's see, train coming. Oh no, train not coming today because we filmed the train. Forward.
Do not brake like that. I do not have hydraulic brakes.
Oh, my bad, bro. Sorry. Let's go on the sidewalk because I don't know where we are go. Nah, bro. This is this is not the best. Look at the bike lock. Okay, so see you after we go outside. Goddamn brakes. So, do you know where we are going?
No.
We are going to buy some chicken kebab. We are going to buy some chicken kebab because
I'm fast as fuck, boy.
what? Fast and what? Wait. God damn, the G4 is so small. What is bro doing? The OOTD T10 Pro and the G4 are one of the best scooters. I mean, yeah, you have the G2 Master. Also, a lot of red lights. Goddamn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 freaking red lights. 10 red lights because now we have a green light. Yeah, I forgot about the bus part. There's the local police. Bro doesn't even care. Just because you have an opinion doesn't mean all of us we need to nah, bro's looking at the souvenirs. Oh god damn, I'm going into the hole. Oh, bon appetit. He got a salad, like he's eating healthy. Look at the scooter. The scooters and the food. Alright bro, so as always, thank you for watching till the end and see you next time. Bye bye!